got this order, 250, 3.6 miles, 21 items. Taco Bell, right? Ha! No tip, no trip. No, all right, I'm gonna give them a trip. We about to see what the hell going on. Cause look, why is you ordering Taco Bell from 4 miles away and it's 0 degrees outside and you can't tip? It's all good, we about to find out. Oh, so you just thought you was gonna click on the video and you was just gonna see me confront a no-tip customer, huh? Man, I need you to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man. I'm literally blowing up my Doordash account, confronting these people for y'all. Come on, man, stop playing with me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This y'all got that Doordash order ready?
Jacob, really sorry about that wait. What?
A couple orders behind on that one. They're still waiting on it.
Yeah, we're a little short-handed at the moment.
I got it.
So y'all didn't, it ain't been started yet? So this is your proof right here. They don't even start the order sometimes, even after you come in. So that lets you know right there. They don't prioritize the online orders. They prioritize the other orders because they start them when you get here. So that's the proof right there. We're gonna see how long it takes for them to get this order done. The time is now 2:31. So I've had this order for 10 minutes. And they probably had it for 15 back there. So we're gonna see how long it's gonna be. And they make you come inside even when it's -5 degrees. But I see why. If they didn't start it, it makes sense. I would have held up the drive-thru if I would have been in the drive. But they won't tell you that. You waiting on the online order too? Oh man. Oh man. They don't start the Doordash till you get here, man. I'm recording them. I'm getting it all figured out. Yeah, man, it's bad. They prioritize the drive-thru. Well, they prioritize this, then the drive-thru, then the online orders. Uh-oh. Oh yeah, Doordash gonna be pissed. So you see, they trying to figure out why the orders is always late. So they need to see who prioritize the orders. Is they prioritize the Uber, DoorDash. So this was going on. He's the manager. Oh okay. Oh okay. You the manager? Oh shit, we got the manager working now. You know they in trouble. He was chilling at first. Oh man. When he come out and work, you know some shit about to happen. They prioritize certain orders and it causes issues with the drivers, the customers. So they want to know what's going on. Cause they pay money to get the orders in here like this. So they paying this money, they want to know what's going on. Somebody gonna be getting the write-up probably. Damn, I feel sorry for them. Did yours say pick up through the drive-thru? Yeah, mine say, see look, it say, please use drive-thru if the lobby is closed, but I had to record and show the lobby open, but they refuse to give it to you through the drive-thru, so that causes long wait times. Customer get the food late because they refuse to make the order. That's why they back there working fast now. But see, we shouldn't have to do this though, you know? They actually moving fast right now. Oh yeah, I'm recording.
Why?
Yeah, because they messing up our orders and making us wait, but they get the drive-thru fast and they get these customers fast and they make us wait, so that you don't make no money when you wait. You make money when you drop off food, but when you wait, you make no money. I don't even come to Taco Bell because I learned like 2 years ago, you're not gonna make no money picking up Taco Bell. Because even if it's a good order, if you wait 20 minutes, then you drive 10 minutes, then you drive back 10 minutes, you do one order, 1 hour. So it doesn't matter how good the order is. Why Taco Bell do this? So that's why. I ain't never seen them work so fast. Hey, let them figure it out, right? To get a DoorDash credit. All right, the time is now 2:40, so 10 extra minutes. Hey, how you doing?
Good. Is Taco Bell?
Yeah, you ever heard of no tip, no trip?
Yeah.
Oh, you have? So you know what no tip, no trip is and you chose not to tip on the order? And you know what it is? That's even better.
I didn't know about that.
Oh,
Man, stop playing with me. What?
oh, you didn't know? So first you did. I mean, I ain't mad. Look, you finna get your food either way. I ain't finna do nothing crazy. I'm just trying to see.
Right.
Cause like, I'm gonna be straight with you. People who bag the tip out, they kind of suck. We call them miserable clowns, and we call them, we no tip, no trip. eat their food, don't bring it to room 145, leave it outside in the cold, 0 degrees. So it kind of look bad when you don't tip. Then it's not even like it's a house, it's a motel, 2 different sides, extra steps, you know, no tip. Then they most likely to say, oh, they never got it. You know, it's like it's 0 degrees outside. So it's a lot of things, you know what I'm saying? I try to do this to make sure the other drivers in the area, for one, don't have to deal with these orders. They can actually make some money. You know, I like to make the customer feel bad, because you should, while you don't go get it yourself. And I waited 20 minutes there for this food. Now, I got YouTube, you know what I'm saying? So I'm making money off of that. But the drivers who pick up these orders, they ain't making no money the hour when they pick up these trash offers like this. And I got it in the hot bag for you, ready to go. They don't expect me to pull up and say, hey man, what the fuck going on? But I'm here, and this is what I do. So if you can, and you know, if you can't afford it, man, just make a sandwich or something. Like straight up. Like people make their money doing this. And if you can't afford the tip, don't use the service, bruh. Give me a 1 star, you can give me a -1 star. I don't give a damn. So don't do it no more.